What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You don't know, say boy Mr. Ashi. So today we make a after school pot guys. So we have on the menu, we have chicken foot soup and we make some sliced fish and roast breadfruit guys. But we are fried up, so stay tuned, watch our going. Don't know, say it'll be a banger video already guys. So like, share, subscribe, all of that. Yeah people, so Climber have the chicken foot them so I'm gonna deal with them. So that is it, Climber.
That is it outside, I know. I need some soup.
But a bubble guys, but through there deal with some stuff. You can get to clean the chicken foot. Jessa, come here.
No.
Come.
No. I don't want to play.
Alright people, so just stay tuned and watch your progress. Yeah peeps, so this is how I have fish, pumpkin, so for the soup, lemon for the soup. And we have some sweet potato, Irish and yam. So just get them down at the shop guys. And I'm gonna show you the roast breadfruit. Hey people, so this is the roast breadfruit guys. So it's gonna deal with it now. So just go and stay tuned and go and watch your gun. Alright people, so the fish here. I get the scale up, you know. Let's show if we can video that segment here guys, cause I don't know fish this. So jump to when time we're done. Yeah people, so don't scale the fish. So I'm gonna just wash them off now. Some vinegar. Peel some of the rice. And climber. Put the pumpkin going and thing. So you don't know, so after a while that I go rich. So now just get them and wash up. Put some vinegar on it, as I say. Deal with that. Then you know, say time to fry them up. Yeah people, so we have the fish. Don't know, say I fry them, so I have to wipe them off. Can't make too much water. When I splash up, so but come like this can go like still. Try to get as much water out as possible. Yeah, so this one. Do this. I know where I do all of them already, so jump cut to when you're done. Yeah people, so you have the fish and we have salt, black pepper and Maggi. So I get them seasoned up, throw them in a frying pan. So I try the one making you see, because I don't know, so I may work the camera already. So deal with it. Alright, if you do it one and then guys, so just bear with me, so might have overdo it. I get all of them deal with and then show me how one. Yeah people, so water boil and thing. Then I get them put in. soy seasoning, Maggi and salt. Alright people, just stay tuned, watch how going. Remember if you like, comment your thoughts about the video guys, and yeah, do your thing. Yeah people, so we have the fish them seasoned up. And already so going to do thing over here so. Wicked and thing guys. So I put in the fish then now. Prepare for jumping up. So it's here guys, stay tuned and go on outside that again. Yeah people, so food are going to cook and things, so just there wait. You see me, so make sure to like, share, subscribe. Tired guys, I'm just a come from school, me and climber guys, so just a match up something to JC and Colors and Sham. So stay tuned, watch how I'm going, you see me? Yeah people, so climber there, cut up the sweet potato now. Don't know what's that. Yeah, I get it so that's amazing. Yeah, and we have fish are fried, super boiled. See if we can turn a fish up. Yeah, don't fry. Don't fry. I'm trying to let them fry. That's it. Fish them. Soup. Just stay tuned and go and mash it together. Okay people, so I get the sweet potato and put in now. Soup looks good though. Alright. Rich and nice. The fish them now guys. Steam, I'm gonna steam them, and they're fried them, but steam, I'm gonna steam them. Still get taste better that way. So when they're done fry, put in the rest and steam them down. So just stay tuned, watch it happen. Alright peeps, so we have coconut milk in there guys, and we also put some onion, garlic, pepper, all of them something like guys. So let this go and simmer down a little bit, then drop in the fish them. So yeah guys, stay tuned, go on and try go on. Hey people, so drop in the fish them and thing. So you look, and let them go and steam down. I put some over it, of course. Climber soup, wicked piece of soup, guys. Might even put no cock soup in there, and then rich. Fully rich out. Yeah, put it in there. so climb and get the soup share out, you know. See the food, yes, sir?
Yes, guys, so here's my soup, yeah? Not feeling well, so this is the right thing to have, you know? So, we can see the yam in there and the chicken foot. Yes. Thank you so much, Climber and Lil Oshi.
Mr. Ashi.
Mr. Oshi.
Mr. Ashi, yeah.
Yeah, for preparing this soup for me. And I hope that when I drink it, I will feel much better than before. Carry it to my voice, some kind of stuff, you know? So, see, Climber there to drink for cream soup, you know? Yes, my
Matching face.
My mom's come bonk. My mom's go. I'm going to bonk you.
Why? I can't tell us the soup.
Wicked.
Tastes nice, man. Turn it up, you know? Tastes good, man. I'm proud of them, nah, like, wow. You come up far away, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Let's see. Yes.
Tell me you're going bad, you know? Eh?
People, so I have the breadfruit in my fryer right so. So you don't know.
Oh, chicken like this stuff?
After a while I'm done, take them out, share. So stay tuned and go and watch I got. Alright people, so some food there guys. Dig into this right now. Tired and thing guys. Just a come from squares, so. Done. Look nice, but you know look nice on camera. Yeah people, me are going on this right now, so that's it for the video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. I don't know, so outside.